Today, I'm going to teach you how to redact text from PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you need to permanently remove sensitive information from documents before sharing them with others. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, as this feature isn't available in the standard reader version. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can manage your PDF documents. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section shows you all the PDFs you've worked with lately, making it easier to find what you need. From here, select the file you want to redact text from. The document will open in the main viewing area, ready for editing. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on All Tools. This expands your options and gives you access to Adobe's full suite of PDF editing features. It's the gateway to more advanced functions that aren't immediately visible in the basic interface. In the left sidebar, click View More. This reveals additional tools that might not be displayed by default. Scroll down through the list until you find Redact a PDF, then click it. This tool is specifically designed to permanently remove content from your document, so it's important to use it carefully. Once you've selected the redaction tool, you'll see new options appear in the left panel. Click on Redact Text and Images. This activates the redaction mode, allowing you to mark content for removal. You'll notice your cursor changes, indicating you're now in selection mode. Highlight the text you want to redact. Simply click and drag over any sensitive information you need to remove. The selected text will be marked with a box, showing you exactly what will be redacted. You can select multiple sections if needed before moving to the next step. When you're satisfied with your selections, look at the bottom left and click Apply. This is the crucial step that actually removes the information permanently. It's not just hiding the content, it's completely erasing it from the PDF file. A confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure about applying these redactions. This is your last chance to review before the changes become permanent. Click Continue to proceed with the redaction. Finally, select the file location where you want to save the redacted document from your browser, then click Save. The redacted PDF will be saved to your chosen location with all the sensitive information permanently removed. Your document is now safe to share without worrying about exposing confidential data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.